Hey everyone, my name is Lauren Carey.
And I'm Nikki Pham, and welcome back to the Bublup Rolls Masterclass.
In our last video, you learned how to customize your roll's theme and palette colors. But today, you're going to learn the secrets of roll organization. More specifically, how to organize your roll into sections. Using the same example of a photography portfolio, you can imagine that I might want to organize these images further, by location, for example. The most important thing to understand is this. A subfolder equals a section, and it's just a really great way to separate and organize your content. My photos were saved into one folder, so there actually aren't any sections. When I create a roll, you just see a single stream of images. But let's see what happens if I create 3 subfolders, one for a different location, and put some images in each. So now, when I create a roll, and remember, you just click the blue plus button and select roll, you can see that each folder of images now has their own nicely organized section. Subfolders are endless, so feel free to organize to your heart's content, and make sure to stay tuned to find out more about customization tips and tricks.
If you're all about productivity, creativity, and organization, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
My name is Lauren Carey.
And I'm Nikki Pham.
And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye!